G'day, Mike here, with my second Mickey Loot box. I'm so happy to get this. Now, I first sent my subscription off to Mickey Loot back in April. And then my second month came due in May. And later in May, they sent me the May box. So now here we are, first week of August, and I've just got my April box. So I've been looking forward to this for ages, so it's a real delight to get this one. Now, if you're not sure what I'm talking about, Mickey Loot is a subscription service that comes from America, and they've got 5 different levels of subscription, ranging from $40, which is my monthly subscription, going up to $300, which I won't be buying unless I win Tatslotto. So, they guarantee they're going to give you goods to the value equal to or more than your subscription. All this with free shipping all around the world, which as an Australian, I really appreciate that, because trying to buy stuff from overseas, the shipping usually costs more or sometimes double of what the goods were costing. So this is a great bargain as far as I'm concerned. I was very happy with my first subscription box, and I can't wait to see what's in this one. There we go. Let's open it up. Right. Nicely wrapped. Okay, first of all, spoiler sheet. We'll hold that for later. And a postcard. Let me have a quick look at this. Looks like the evil queen of some kind. That is very unusual. I like that. Oh, Star Wars. It's a Star Wars card according to the back. Bazine Natel, art by Sarah Wilkinson. And a handwritten note on the back, Mike, bringing some magic to make your day from Mickey Loot. So it's a Star Wars character, apparently. I'm going to have to check with my expert friends on what character that is. So I've not seen that one before, but that's lovely. I'm looking forward to that. Now, the box itself, beautifully packaged. Open it up. Tissue paper everywhere. Once again, packaging with pixie dust inside. Just keep the magic happening and all individually wrapped. I love this. Okay. Let me open. How they do this with tissue paper, I have no idea. Every time I try and wrap something, the corners poke through. They should do a video training people how to wrap like they do. What have we got here? Oh, Mary Poppins, something. A practically perfect something. So have you seen that? I'm going to have a look at it now. Epcot World Showcase. I'm not sure what. Oh, it's just a plaque? Oh, it's a magnet. Oh, it's a fridge magnet. Nice. Oh, I like that. That's... Oh, I like that. I've not seen anything like that before. So it's a fridge magnet. Very nice. I do like that. Isn't that cute? Okay. Ooh. This is looking interesting. I love the way it's individually wrapped. It's like Christmas all over it. Oh. Holy Hannah. Look at this. It's a hoodie. A Star Wars hoodie. And characters on the back. I do like this. Nice and colourful. That is something. I've got a friend who's going to be so damn jealous over this. This is wonderful. Oh, looking at that. That is gorgeous. Wonderful. So that's all. There's two items this time. But that unwrapped. That's wonderful. I did put Star Wars as some of my preferences, which is very nice. I've also put down things like The Love Bug, which is a great film, and Fantasia, Mickey Mouse as the Sorcerer's Apprentice. As you can tell, I'm a big fan of Fantasia and Mickey as the Sorcerer's Apprentice. I do get accused sometimes of being too much of a Disney nut, but I don't carry on all the time about Disney, do I? Yeah, okay, that'll be enough from you. Moving on, I'm going to have a look at the spoiler sheet and see what we've got here. Oh, I love this. Okay, so, as I said, a $48 subscription box. The Star Wars... I'm wrapped. The Star Wars Windbreaker, $49.99 alone. Recommended retail price, and it's a park exclusive item. Now the Mary Poppins Practically Perfect in Every Way fridge magnet is $8.99. So that is $58.98 worth of value in a $40 box with free shipping. Do you believe that? I am wrapped. That is wonderful. Oh, I'm going to be wearing this soon. Oh, fantastic. So, Mickey Loot have done it again. I am thrilled. Thank you so much. I am wrapped. I know you've got all sorts of delays out there, Mickey Loot. I think you're running about 3 months behind in your orders and things are getting confused. I really hope you can get that sorted soon because I love getting these. Thank you and keep it up.